way back in the 1900s. I was sitting on this little stage, and Tommy was behind the bar. He kept on feeding me Beck's Darks, and I kept on singing him Bob Dylan songs. And when we ran out of Beck's Darks, we switched to B&B, and we're sitting there saying, man, let's do this again next year. Tommy Boone! Am I lying, Tommy? Am I lying at all? And then the next year, you know, Mary showed up, and then Rich showed up, and every year we kept doing it. And every year it just got better and better. And then one year, my friend Yuri Turchin joined us. And that's when BobFest became real. Yuri was, I can't explain it. But about a year ago, I was working on a show. I was actually in Hawaii, and I was in a tent on a mountain with my friend John Cruz, and we were putting a show together. And when we were putting shows together, we always mentioned Bob Dylan. And he was teaching me this song, and the words that were lay down your weary tune, lay down the song you sing. And we're going to send this out to Yuri Turchin. Lay down your weary tune, lay down the songs you strung, and rest yourself neath the strength of strings no voice can hope to hum.
Struck by the sounds before the sun, I knew the night had gone. The morning breeze like a bugle blew against the drum of dawn.
Lay down your weary tune, lay down the songs you strung, and rest yourself beneath the strength of strings no voice can hold to hum. The ocean wild like an organ playing, the seaweeds wove its strand, the crashing waves like cymbals clashed against the rocks and the sand. Lay down your weary tune, lay down the songs you strung, and rest yourself beneath the strength of strings no voice can hold to hum. I mentioned that when I was working on this song with John, I was writing down the lyrics to this. And it was a year ago in April. And as I was writing down, lay down your weary tune, I got the phone call that Yuri had passed away. I knew right then we were going to sing this song. I stood unwell beneath the skies, the clouds unbound my Lord, the crying rain like a trumpet sang, and asked for no applause. Lay down your weary tune, lay down the songs you strung, and rest yourself in the strength of strings no voice can hold to hum. God bless you, Yuri. Thank you, guys. God bless y'all. Thank you for being here.